In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can preview artwork in the Echo 3D console directly that's accurate and correctly scaled. So first of all, we're going to search it on console and see if there's anything that we like. We have over 75,000 assets that you can pick from, so knock yourself out. Next, we're going to look at stuff at IKEA, things that we can pick up locally. Deer looks pretty cool. Just go ahead and get a screenshot of that. Save it, etc. All right, let's see what the results are. This looks interesting. What is it? Birds. Who doesn't love a good birds painting? All right, so now we are gonna go check out the measurements and convert them to pixels. So we've linked a converter for inches to pixels. You're just gonna copy those numbers over into the metadata, and that is going to be under the asset, where on the top right you'll see the inverted caret. So we're just going to add those numbers. Let's go back and check. 27. Okay. Let's update that. We'll check these out, make sure this looks like it would be practical. Yeah, by comparison, looks like it would be a good size. Let's pick another one. All right, IKEA, let's see what you have in stock. That yak is always cool. I see it all the time at IKEA. A nice beachy landscape. I like it. A lot of detail, very pretty. So we'll go ahead and we'll do a screen grab of that as well. I just don't think they allow you to do saves directly to different file types, so screenshot it is. We'll save that so we can upload it to the Echo 3D console. All right, look at these measurements. Okay, let's upload this one. So it's definitely a bigger file, so it's going to take a little bit longer. All right, next we're going to pull the converted numbers and add them to the metadata. For height, we have this total. And then for width, we're going to update that. Perfect. Now that you have all your artwork that you're considering in your Echo 3D console, there are a couple ways that you can view it on your mobile device. One is with the URL that gets generated. Each one has this share icon. The link is right here at the top. You can either load that into your browser for a preview or text it to yourself, email it to yourself, and then once you pop it into your phone's browser, it'll show up. No need to download an app or use any code for this. It'll all load directly in the browser. And alternatively, there's a QR code, and that's a little bit easier for some people. You just scan it with your mobile device and you'll see it in its accurate dimensions in augmented reality.